Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade futures on Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is a powerful trading platform that offers a wide range of tools and features for trading futures. To get started, you will need to have a Thinkorswim account and a basic understanding of futures trading. First, log into your Thinkorswim account and navigate to the Trade tab. From here, select the Futures option and choose the contract you want to trade. Thinkorswim offers a wide range of futures contracts, including indices, commodities, and currencies. Once you have selected your contract, you can view the current market price and other relevant information such as the bid and ask prices, open interest, and trading volume. You can also view charts and technical analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. To place a trade, click on the Buy or Sell button and enter the number of contracts you want to trade. You can also set a limit price or stop loss to manage your risk. Thinkorswim also offers advanced order types such as trailing stops and conditional orders. It is also important to understand the margin requirements for futures trading. Margin is the amount of money you need to have in your account to enter a trade. Thinkorswim will automatically calculate the margin requirements for your trade based on the contract you are trading and the number of contracts you want to trade. Before you start trading, make sure you have a solid understanding of the risks and rewards of futures trading. Futures trading involves leverage, which means you can lose more than your initial investment if the market moves against you. It is also important to have a trading plan and to stick to it. In conclusion, trading futures on Thinkorswim can be a powerful way to speculate on the markets or hedge your risk. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on the Thinkorswim platform, you can make informed trading decisions and achieve your trading goals. Remember to always manage your risk and to trade responsibly.